What happens when two curious kids meet a sneezing dragon? Join Tanko and Tina as they embark on a hilarious adventure to help Sneezo the dragon get his fire back. Will their special soup work, or will Sneezo keep sneezing forever? Find out this Saturday at 10 a.m. in Tanko and Tina and the Sneezing Dragon. Get ready to laugh, learn, and explore a world of fun. Don't miss it. Turn on notifications now.